Good near noon, humans. It's like 20 till. I stayed in bed till 10. Just saying.
There's a joy, dress more like a boy, and come back as a line, trying different lipstick.
So, it's the next day. I don't think I got to bed till like 1:30. Yeah. I need to eat. I'm uploading right now. And I don't know what I'm getting into today. I have to go to the store. Yeah. Buy lunches and stuff. Other stuff. It makes sense. There's like, I don't know, a whole bunch of stuff I want to buy. I want to eat healthier. Not like I've been lately. I've been eating like so unhealthy. So I'm gonna like maybe get some fruit, some veggies. And like stuff to make sandwiches instead of this already pre-processed stuff that I've been eating. Not exactly healthy for me. And see if that helps the acne. I don't know. Make me feel healthier. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. Hey guys! Went to Walmart. Spent way too much money. Oh, I have to get that out of my purse. That reminds me. So I wanted to buy stuff on iTunes, and I need to buy an iTunes card. Also, I bought this. I'm almost done with it. It's a only 260 calorie snack fresh apple cheese bites with caramel. High in vitamin C and calcium. I'm not using the caramel dip. I'm just eating the apple pieces and the cheese. I don't really eat apples a whole lot, and these apples are really good. I think it's because I don't like biting into an apple. I don't like, yeah, I don't like the skin. So this being like, let me show you. This being like this, I can just bite into it and it's fine. I get all the fruit I want. Which is really good. I'm gonna do that. Alright, now, very healthy for you. I'm starting this be healthy kind of thing. I bought some carrots. I bought some spinach and avocado hummus. Try that out. What else did I buy? Or maybe spinach and artichoke. Spinach and artichoke hummus. I bought some stuff to make sandwiches with. And y'all just watch me eat my apples. Instead of like having pre-processed food that I'm cooking, I only have a couple. This apple isn't that greatest. I don't know why. They were all fine. Well, I need a drink of water. That's good. Healthy alternative snacking. I mean, get some more. I didn't want to buy a big pack of like snack apples because they had a huge container that just had apple slices, but I was like, I don't know what apples I like, and but that was good. I may save this caramel dip. I don't know. Didn't use it, so I should save it or something. It's a nice, healthy, filling snack there. I'm watching some things. I was haunted stuff, but now it's not haunted stuff. It's escaping a cult. That singer, I forget what the singer's name is. The girl that wrote that song, Dear Oprah. Give me the name of the artist. Please give me the name. Susan Cagle. That's who I thought it was. That's on right now. So I'm gonna watch that. Yeah. My one indulgence. I had a milkshake, vanilla milkshake, that had orange colored vanilla milk in it. Not the healthiest for you, but it tastes so good. I guess in my head I thought, oh well, I ate apples today, so that's perfectly fine for me to eat that, drink that milkshake. Not really. It's almost 8. I don't think I'm gonna be staying up that much longer because I gotta work in the morning. Yay! And I'm just serving the same pages over and over and over again. It's not good, guys. It's not good. I do have new music to listen to on my iPod though. Why did I go to the same page? It's just on there. Seriously? Seriously? Oh, it's 10 o'clock. Things I did. I found a fanfiction that I actually want to read. And I found a new YouTuber to follow. If you guys haven't seen in my feed that I followed someone new knows. Like, I stumbled upon this person and I was like, oh my god, I have to watch this person because they're funny. And I spent about an hour watching random videos. But yeah, I found a fan fiction that reads promising, which is good, because I've been searching for one for a while. Just not wanting to read any of crap. Yeah, so I'm gonna get a shower, call it a night. I'm really hot and sweaty, and I decided today, I didn't want to tell you guys, I'm wearing shorts, because it's 85 degrees. Well, let's see how much. Well, it was 85 earlier today. Indigestion. 69 degrees. 69 degrees. It's 70 degrees. I just dropped my phone. That is not good. 70 degrees. And I decided if it's gonna feel like it's summer, I'm gonna dress like it's summer. I want to know who brought this Southern Californian heat here. Of course, I told my mom, you know, they could have gave us the beach when they gave us the heat, but no, just the warmness. Seriously, the last few days I've been wearing shorts. I bought fall-ish clothes, but it's like, am I gonna need them? Seriously, am I going to need them if it keeps up this way? Just wondering. Yeah, I'm gonna get scat out of here. Yeah. Not.